Every time AI or robotics makes the news, we hear the same scary headline. Robots are coming for your job. But how true is it? Are we heading toward a future where humans are unemployed while robots run the world? Or is the truth a little less dramatic and a lot more interesting? Welcome to BizTech Unboxed. Today we're asking the big question, will robots replace your job or will they actually make work better? Let's find out. Let's be real. Some jobs are definitely at risk. Routine, repetitive tasks are the first to go. Think about factory line workers, cashiers, or delivery drivers. Machines and algorithms are getting cheaper, faster, and more reliable. But it's not just blue-collar work. Even white-collar jobs like data entry or simple bookkeeping are being automated. If your job looks the same every day, chances are a robot is eyeing it. But here's the twist. Not all jobs can be replaced. Creative work, leadership roles, and jobs that require emotional intelligence? Still human territory. A robot can sort resumes, but it can't inspire a team. AI can write music, but it won't create culture. Teachers, therapists, artists, innovators, these are the roles that thrive in a human-first future. The truth is, robots aren't just replacing, they're transforming work. ATMs didn't destroy bank jobs, they changed them. Now, bankers focus on financial advising, not counting cash. AI tools aren't here to eliminate graphic designers or marketers. They're here to make their work faster, smarter, and maybe even more fun. In other words, robots don't take jobs, they change jobs. So how do you stay ahead? The answer: adaptability. Learn digital skills, embrace AI tools, focus on creativity, problem solving, and leadership. In the future, the best workers won't be the ones competing against robots, but the ones working with them. So, will robots replace your job? The truth is, some, yes, but most jobs will simply evolve. The future of work isn't man versus machine. It's man and machine. Thanks for watching BizTech Unboxed. If you're ready to unbox more about the future of work, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's keep exploring together.